Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I have a quick product review for this Seneo 2-in-1 wireless charger pad. Now this charging pad is capable of up to 7.5 watts of wireless charging. As you guys can see here, it's case friendly. It's got good cable management, which I will talk about in a minute. It's got nightstand mode. And overall, it has been a really nice product so far. Now this can wirelessly charge your newer iPhones, your Apple Watch, or even your AirPods. So enough with that, let's take a look at the product itself. Here it is up close, and I've already got the Apple Watch charger in there and situated, but I will show you how that's done. Over here, you've got two grips, a little bit of branding, and that's about it. Honestly, there's not a whole lot on this. Now there are some vents along the sides here to let the heat dissipate, but other than that, there's not a whole lot going on. Now there's also an LED light when it is turned on and ready, and this cord can just plug into any USB spot. Now let's take a look at how this is actually set up. In here, you just kind of coil your Apple Watch charger cable in there into this spot, and it will feed the power in through like so. So let's demonstrate how this actually works. I'm going to take my Apple Watch here, I'm going to set it on here, and I'm also going to take my iPhone here and set it on. Now nothing's happening yet because I don't have it plugged in, but let me do that real quick. And now you can see that LED lit up, and as it's pulling the power through, these will both start charging immediately like so. So as you can see, I have my iPhone 10 and my Apple Watch charging at the exact same time. And this is just a great thing to have on your nightstand if you want to charge all your devices in one spot with just one cable. I mean, this really cleans things up. Now this is also a relatively affordable product. Currently it is only about 28 bucks on Amazon. So I think that is a steal, especially for something that you would use pretty much on a daily basis. You know, you just set your stuff on it and you're good to go. Just to show you guys how easy it really is. I mean, you can just take your Apple Watch, set it on here. It stays in place with these little pieces of rubber and they immediately charge. So I have nothing but good things to say about this product. So definitely check it out. Links down below if you want to pick one up for yourself. That's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.